Hey, good morning, Diana. How you doing? Just gonna get everything set up. Hopefully we'll be rocking and rolling by 8:40 a.m. Eastern here, about 7 minutes. Let's see. Alright, I think we are just about good. Got some coffee. Got a little workout in this morning. We feeling good. It's kind of chilly here this morning though. I'm grateful to be here down south though because my family, I'm originally from Michigan. My family's up there and man, they are getting some major snow. Okay, let's get this rocking. Anybody have any specific time range that they want to do? Like a date range, preferably this year sometime. But any preferred date range? If not, we're gonna start with let's see, we're gonna do July 17th through the 23rd. Yeah. But I'll wait a minute or two if you have a different preferred date that you would like to do here. By the way, I have no idea what oh shoot. You know what? I need to go here. Like I was saying, I have no idea what happened, like if there's any significance of that date or whatever, but just the next week that I have in my simulation here. I used to do one of these like every day. I didn't do it live, I didn't do it streamed, but I used to do like a simulation session like every day. I stopped doing it maybe a month or so consistently just because I got tied up with business and stuff, but I would like to start doing these with you guys at least every Sunday, every other Sunday, something like that. I think would be good for all of us. Okay, no specific dates. We're gonna rock and roll with the 17th through the 23rd then. And before we get started, we got 14 viewers with us live. Go ahead and give a like to the stream. When you guys like this stream, it helps other people find us here, find our channel. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's all based on engagement, and while we're doing that, I'm gonna make sure that I like the stream too. Oh shit, I didn't realize there's so many messages here. Sorry guys, I am having some difficulties here on my desktop. I was like, damn, ain't nobody saying anything. There was just the message from Diana, and I was like, what the hell? Oh shoot, Jordan, what's good? What's good? Good morning. Wajahat, good morning. Good morning. Peter, good morning. Patrick, good morning. Coming in from Oklahoma, Patrick. I hope the weather's nice over there for you. Ope, Mike, how long you been trading for again? Since like 2017 or so. But you know, I ate shit sandwiches for quite a long time before I really unlocked the cheat codes. But morning, man. Christine, good morning, good morning. Hell yeah, Ope, get that workout in. Man, that snow, the reason why I won't move to Chicago 100%, man. That's why I had to get out of the north, man. Chilly, it's downright cold up here in Maryland. No snow yet, though, thankfully. Christine, what part of Maryland are you in? My girlfriend's family is from Kent Island. We go up there every now and then. Might have to catch up with you next time I go up there if you're in the area. Ope, let's do Q1. Okay, cool. Q1. Any specific time frame? Any specific like month or smack dab in the middle? We can do like February 13th through what's that? February 19th, something like that. Sam, greetings to you, brother. Good morning. Frederick, what's up, man? How you doing? Christine, yeah, I'm like every other Sunday. Sounds great to me. Okay. And I'm just gonna refresh this and make sure that I might even just pull this up on my phone too, so that way I know I'm not missing anything. When's hey Mike, greetings from South Korea. Holy, South Korea. That's crazy, South Korea. Patrick, 27. Is that 27 degrees? Or is that February 27th? Okay, 27 degrees, I think. Cold here, yeah. Yeah, I think it's It says 48 down here. I don't know if this is accurate to my location or not, to be honest. But 48 sounds about right. Let me look it up actually. It says 51. 51 on my phone. People are probably laughing like, that's not cold, that's not cold. Shit, that's cold for us. That's cold for us here in freaking Georgia. Alright, let's get this thing rocking and rolling, man. Let's not waste any more time. Get into the fun stuff here. Get all the charts added up here. Frederick, Mike, you bought another desktop? No, not yet, not yet. Not yet, man. I'm actually waiting on Jake. He's gonna send me over some recommendations. I think he's actually just gonna put together like a shopping cart for me, and gonna get it that way. Shoo, 34 degrees, Christine, man. What's good, Raj? Good morning, man. Hope everything's well your way. About to get my coffee started. Enjoy, Christine. Holy, Paul says it's 74 degrees in Zambia. I need to move, man. Holy. I've been thinking about it, honestly. I need to go further south. Alright, I'm hoping that we're not gonna get any lag here with this with the stream setup. I've done some live sessions with this before, with this software before, and it created a little lag, but I'm just gonna close out any unnecessary applications that I have open real quick. Okay. And I'm gonna make sure that the audio is set up correct. Yep. Okay, we're good to rock and roll then. We're good to rock and roll. So with this software, I'm not sure if you guys have used it before or if you've ever seen it, but essentially, you know, it's just a simulation software. Let's see. I honestly never really pay attention to news on this thing. But the cool thing about this software is it allows you to simulate... What the fuck? It allows you to simulate price action or trading in real time, so it's pretty cool. But let's just go ahead and forward to the right time here. As you can see, it's like 22:10. For the session that we trade, you know, pre-New York to New York Open, we're like right around here. So we need to fast forward here a little bit, and another hour and a half. 10:30 on here is 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. See, we're about an hour and a half before New York Open here. Actually, is that correct? Oh no, so I think because of the time change on my computer, so it's actually 11:30. Yeah, this is correct, because this would be New York Open here, 8 a.m. Eastern. Frederick, Mike, have you already worked out? Yes sir, you already know I have. You already know. Alright, cool. So let's look at this here based on what we have in front of us. So daily is strong bearish. We have a daily support here, and then we have another daily support down here, and So we can probably see some rejection here, but let's just take this daily bearish bias with us and see what we can find here on 4 hour. So if we look at 4 hour, let's scale fix this to, let's say 153 or so. If we look at 4 hour, we are kind of rejecting this this support level here. So let's clone this to the other time frames and we can see what this is looking like. This is annoying. Okay. So now on 1 hour we can see that we're forming a level of support, and it almost looks like we're rejecting, you know, a little bit to form a level of resistance and potentially go test that level of support. And if we look at 30-minute time frame here, we can actually see that we're just kind of ranging, to be honest. Yeah, we're just kind of ranging here. Let's see. So let's see what this. Oh dang, okay, so we're looking at like 50 pips to the upside there. 50 pips to the upside here, so we can definitely target buys to there if need be. And let's see where the next support would be for sells. Okay, so sells. About 20 pips down there. Oops. Yeah, bear with me guys. This using this on here is not the most user friendly. Yeah, so I think this is what we're looking at. So let's go ahead and press play here. See what we can get. Fast forward a little bit. And we got 30-minute candle closing here. See the time here, we got about 3 minutes. Okay, cool, still in the range. This thing's moving now. Right through our zone. This is okay though. Maybe we can get some sort of break and retest here. Break out of the zone. Form a level of resistance and then form a support to go retest the high. So 15-minute candle just closed here. Let's see where this is. Should be down here. Yep, close strong bullish there. So yeah, I think a nice retrace, form a level of resistance somewhere, form a level of support, and then go retest the highs. We are coming into like 9 a.m. though here, or no, because right 11:30 a.m. Eastern was 6:30 a.m. Eastern. That little time change there is gonna throw me off. So this is 8 a.m. Eastern now. We're getting that resistance that we want. Let's see what it looks like on 15-minute. Oh yeah, it looks good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now we need it to come down a little bit lower though, honestly. 15-minute close with no top wick there. Just see how that 30-minute closed. Oh, okay. So this is actually a nice slingshot setup. The problem is that if we took buys at the break of the high here, you know, it's only about 12 pips to the next support. Or I mean the next resistance. So can't do that. Can't do that. I would like to see us retrace further. Yeah, Wajahat, if this candle closed bullish, respect the low here, breaks the high, continues bullish, then it would be a slingshot. Oh, we got Harith. Yeah, so this is like perfect slingshot setup. There, Wajahat, this bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle, this candle goes to break the high. Problem is though, it broke the high like pretty much right as the candle opened, so. Alright, so here's another situation that we can look at. Ooh. Is the low breaking here. Oh, what's going on? The low breaking here. Then we can continue to kind of recorrect this move. This is about 39 pips to the downside. So we might be able to look for that. Let me just slow the time down just so we don't miss this. But this is like NYSE open right now. We have a 30-minute candle about to close. Yeah, so kind of a range here. Let's just look at this on other time frames. Okay, so 4 hour broke the high. Daily is rejecting really strong at this point. So we're kind of at the end of the session, but let's just see if we can maybe see something for like London close or something like that. And I'm not taking sells here because we're kind of in this like 30-minute range here. Alright, 15-minute just closed. Yeah, 15-minute looks pretty choppy here.
Morning, Mike. Hope you're good, brother.
Hey, what's happening, man? How you doing?
All good, all good. Hope your weekend is going on fine.
Oh yeah, going great, going great.
Oh, that's nice. It's nice talking here and have this simulation with you, man.
Yeah.
Great job. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, it helps me too, so it's good for all of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so at this point we're gonna have to wait for we're gonna have to wait for buys above here to target here, but it's only like 21 pips there, so yeah. Frederick, you can take a buy. No, buy here would be kind of risky in my opinion because we have resistance right here and you can see that's only like 6-7 pips. And then we have another resistance right here that I drew up, which is only like 12 pips. So a buy here would be kind of risky. You could say, you know, yeah, sure. You know, with volume, with like London close, we can expect to push through there. But as I always say, like expecting, hoping, you know, in my opinion, isn't the best trading strategy. So I try to avoid that. So we'll see. This is like this is 1500 hours here. So we're coming to, let's look at the sessions thing. We're coming to, yeah, London close at this point. Let's see, what time did we start here? It was 11:30. So it'd be 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, or 11:30, 12:30, 13:30, 14:30. So 14:30 was NYSE open. So now we're kind of coming into London close. So let's just see if we can potentially take an entry on London close. If not, then this day in the simulation is going to be a no trade day. And as we know, we have those, you know, like that's not it's not an uncommon thing. We're only trying to take the best setups, not every setup. Minute candle about to close. Right at support there. Yeah, so we're the last hour of London session, so if we can't catch anything here by 1700 hours, we'll go ahead and move to the next day. Which in hindsight, you know, this there was nothing here. There was nothing presented here. We had this one breakout during our session today on this simulation. We had this one breakout candle, and there was no confirmations for entries on that. Could have considered impulse buys, but nothing there. Bro, as trend is down, would you say sells if past last candle wick? I probably prefer a closure, honestly. But as we can see, this is London close now. You know, we're at London close. It's over. So we're just going to move to the next day because there's nothing. There's nothing. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward to, what was it, 11:30. Let's see, 11:30. 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30. Yeah, and as we can see, really just ranged. So it's a good thing we sat on our hands there. But just based on looking at 30-minute, we can see we're back in a little consolidation situation here. Looks like nice range to the downside, 51 pips, and nice range to the top side, 77 pips. So let's just check this out. Actually, let's go back here, clone this, and let's see how this looks across the other time frames. Let's see what's going on here. What are these lines? 157, 6. Okay, daily bullish currently. If it goes to break the high here, what's that? 156.849. Let me see if that line's on here. 150. Yeah. So if we go to break the high here, if we break above here, this is going to be above daily highs. Current 4 hour kind of rejecting resistance there. So we'll have to see how that plays out. So that honestly goes with our story along both sides here of kind of being in this range. You know, regardless of whatever side we break out of, we can, you know, entries would be valid based on higher time frames, because if it breaks out of the top side, that's going to be breaking daily highs. If it breaks out of the, or I mean, if it breaks out of the low side of this range, this 4-hour candle is going to be rejecting this resistance, and we can confirm that. And then hourly, you know, weak bullish hourly here. So yeah, let's just see how this plays out. Mike, how many cups of coffee do you take in one day? Like 1, sometimes 2. But fuck, man, sometimes I'll have like 8 of them mofos. Alright, let's see here. We got candle close. Oh, okay. So I think we can take an entry here as the lows are broken. Stop loss be 22 pips, 23, 24 pips, something like that. So let's slow this ticker down just so we don't miss the entry here. And we're just gonna wait for a nice wick up, break the low. Oh, break the low. And let's place the sell here, TP down here, stop loss here. And let's open up this trades here. There we go, pips. We'll do a, actually no, we don't want to do auto break even. Okay, and let's see how this moves. Oh, going against us a little bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's going against us here. What's going on? Ah, that 4-hour candle closed strong bullish. But I rejected. Let's see. Alright, 30-minute candle is going to close here. Closed bullish. Not good. We have weak bearish or weak bullish here. Let's see the messages here. Plus that wick on the left side. Yes, I think this one here. Yeah. And also this little zone here. Christine, price didn't close outside the zone and there was a lower wick rejection to the left side. Yes, this lower wick rejection. But I was looking at it based on this. So to me, this did close out of the zone. I think what we should do at this point is we should close partials. And we'll just close 50% at this point. And we'll see what happens. How important is having to wait for a top or bottom wick before taking your entry? Pretty important. Pretty important in my opinion. On a risk management standpoint, I would close 50% once broke its own high. Yeah, I agree with that, Harith. I agree with that. Just trying not to strangle the trade. Because when I broke the low, it was like right around the first like 5 to 10 minutes of the candle. Yeah, and it looks like we're just kind of ranging. Yeah. Yeah, kind of ranging here. Potential like slingshot here. Oh. On hourly, we break the low here. We should see it continue to drive down. Let's check out 4 hour. 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour really hasn't moved. Yeah, so we'll just let this play. We'll see what happens here. It's a beautiful thing about a simulation. Would not the red engulfing candle point 2 down trade? Yeah, I think I agree. We can wait for a re-entry. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I would add positions back. Let's see, we lost $20 on the first close. The first close of partials. So if we're risking 1% of a $5,000 balance, 1% would be $50. So I'm just trying to determine if we would have risk left over off of 1%, but that's too much to think about, so I'm just going to worry about this 50% we have. But this is really not moving, really just no volume. Let's speed this up a little. It's kind of pushing down. Now it's pushing up. Yeah, let's close a little bit more because it's breaking the highs on 30-minute. Let's create a lower wick on hourly. Man, this was a bad week to pick. Price really just ranging through both of the sessions so far.
One of them weeks that messes up with psychology.
Yeah. Yeah, still closing like below this zone on the hourly though, so I mean, I think if it can break the low, I think it should continue. Oh. Just like in real life, LOL. Yeah. Yeah, Christine. Yeah, and to be honest, I mean, like this is kind of why I've been in that standpoint of not closing partials and just kind of trusting my entries, the positions, stuff like that, because Like it still wouldn't have hit my stop loss yet. You know, like I place like pretty conservative stop loss because I don't have it like above like current candle high. But I mean, I think like taking action based on candle breaking its own highs or candle breaking previous candles highs, I definitely think that's valid. So let's just take another 50 off. We're just gonna have very minimal position open at this point, but just for the sake of seeing if it ever hits our stop loss or not. So like this is like pretty much what I would do in a real life situation as well. Like I would, you know, if candles breaking the highs, if candles are breaking previous candles highs, then for sure I'm gonna take some risk off the table. $10 pips. 10 pips. What do we do here? We only have a 0.03 open. Let's we'll just close 0.02 just for the sake of closing partials and profit. And we'll just see what happens here. But I mean, to that point, it never would have hit stop loss. So, you know, could have just ran with the full position open, closed 10 pips and profit there, and would have been good. So that's something I've been thinking about a lot. I would say 99% of my trade ideas don't hit stop loss. Like I'll close them in a loss because of emotions.
In a real life market, this would be a very terrible experience to have.
Oh yeah. It would just be sitting here like
around before that move really happens.
Like right here with this bearish close, you'd be like yes. With the bullish close, you'd be like oh. With the bearish close, you'd be like yes. Bearish close, bullish, fuck. Bearish, yes.
Yeah, unfortunately, by the time that bearish close comes back, you feel like you're not confident again to take that trade. You're like, no, I may not risk this. And the moment you don't risk it, then the thing goes and you're like, oh.
Yeah, all of this is just kind of confirming to me, like all of the trades that I've reviewed, like in the past 2 or 3 weeks, all of my losses that I've reviewed, they would have never hit stop loss. And I'm just like, fuck, why did I close those in a loss? But yeah, so let's look at this. So we risked 1% on that trade. We ended up losing 0.64%. It would have never hit stop loss. We could have just let it rock to the damn partial TP. But that's all good. That's all good because I've noticed this, like I said, a handful of times, that my trade ideas typically don't hit stop loss. The emotions kick in and cause me to close them in a loss. Okay, 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30. Let's pause it. Yeah, price is really moving like shit. Holy. Okay. Dang, only like 19 pips. Yeah, sheesh. So this should still be a valid zone. 62 pips, yep. Still valid. Yeah, Christine, exactly. Yeah, hold the trade, trust your analysis. Yeah, I've been really working on that like a lot. Like in my live trading, I've been doing that. But yeah, we can look for like 40 pips down here. Okay, so these look like the ranges we're going to be looking for. Buys above here, sells below here. And let's just check out these higher time frames to see how they match. Yeah. So if we take buys above, let me just see here. Yeah, if we take buys above, we're going to be coming into a daily rejection zone. So it might be a little risky. Might be a little risky. And sells below one. I think this line is just like a random one that's in the way here that we need to get rid of. And sells below would be the break of the low of the previous daily, which for daily to break the high and the low doesn't really seem very probable to me. But we are kind of rejecting on a 4 hour. So I think it's probably going to be key to see where this 4 hour candle closes. If we can close above this zone right here. Which I have no clue what time that closes based on this MT5. Or I mean this MT4, the time here. But let's see. Christine, I haven't. That's my problem. These sessions will help me build up my confidence to hold. 100%. Yeah, 100%. So let's remember this. The first trade we took, it would have never hit stop loss. We just closed it out in a loss because of emotions. Let's remember that and see how that theory continues throughout the session. Patrick, what's your file? Wait till first profit. I don't know that I understand that one, Patrick. Sorry. The Oklahoma cold weather's getting to you. Get the frozen fingers. Oh, what's your rule? What's your rule? Wait till first profit. I still don't understand. Sorry, man. It's early for me on a Sunday. Usually I'm just chilling. Kind of got a lot of shit going on though. I got some family coming to stay at my house. I'm going on vacation on Friday. And I got some family coming to stay at my house. They're coming on vacation and taking over my house for a week. So unfortunately there's not going to be any streams from Friday the 24th, I think it is, till December 1st. Be on a little vacation. Mike Trump is back on Twitter. Thought on it? Fuck yeah. I'm ready to see his wild ass tweets again. I wonder if they'll still move the market. I remember like when I was trading, man, like in 2020, 2019, man, every time Trump would freaking tweet something, man, the market would go nuts. I'd be like, holy shit. Yeah, this is interesting though. This is like a week of range. I honestly don't even know that we've seen price action this bad in New York session recently, and I thought it was pretty bad recently. Oh, we got some movement here. You guys see my new YouTube artwork? You guys like my new YouTube artwork?
Yeah, it's nice, man. I saw it, like, wow. An avatar of yourself, kind of.
Say what?
An avatar of yourself, like that.
Yeah,
that.
Little cartoon character.
Yeah, exactly. So where are you headed for your vacation?
Aruba.
Aruba?
Yeah.
Is it in North America as well?
No, it's down by Central America, I think. Pretty far south.
For how long are you going there?
Like 6 days.
A week, innit?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm supposed to be there for for the full week, but I couldn't leave on Thursday. I have to leave on Friday, but I'm going to meet my mom and my little brother down there. We're supposed to spend Thanksgiving down there, but I'm gonna have to come after Thanksgiving.
Okay, that's cool. So you're hooking up with your girlfriend as well?
Yeah, she's gonna be coming too. Yeah, might have a little MP special happening here.
Yeah, a little creative.
Oh, Christine just came back from Aruba. That's awesome. That's going to be awesome. Have you ever been before? No, I've never been to Aruba. Been all over the Caribbean though, but not Aruba. Frederick, will you be trading? Yeah, I'll probably still trade. I won't be able to do any live streams, I don't think. Actually, I know I won't be able to. Alright, let's see this here though. We have 15-minute, 30-minute candles closing here in a second. We might be able to look for sells. This is going to be a little risky sell though, because 30-minute candle is still bullish, but notice that it's kind of rejecting this zone right here. Notice it's rejecting this. It's also rejecting like this zone, and it's got no lower bottom wick, which typically means there's no range to fill. But at the same time, if we can break it, it's probably gonna go fill it. So let's just see. Yeah, that sucks right here. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, it's only like 10 pips there, but let's see what it looks like on 15-minute, because we might be able to take a dynamic risk entry. 17 pips. I don't like it. I can't go against my rules here. Nope. Can't do it. Isn't that unfortunate? We can't go against our rules. It's very unfortunate. Because I really think that if it respects this high here and it breaks the lows, it's going to continue. Which it never happened. See if we can make the move on London close. Okay. Okay. Candle's about to close. Oof. Weak bearish candle. Rejection on the hourly. I think I'm liking. Ooh, okay. Could be a nice wick fill on the 4 hour. Okay, we might be able to take some sells here. Ooh, nice 15-minute. Have to be a little cautious of this 15-minute support here, but since it's 15-minute support, I'm gonna say that it's a weak support. Oh, and we got 21, 22 pips down to the bottom. What you say? We take some sells if the Low is broken. Yeah, Christine, very weak close, and candle broke the previous high and low. But let's annotate this a little bit. Let's talk about this, because I actually really see good sells here. So if we break this low here and we respect the high, we have enough range to come down to test this support. And if we look at the hourly candle, oh, we're getting a little laggy, sorry. If we look at hourly candle, we have a nice strong rejection here, and if we break the low and respect the high here, we should definitely do the same thing. So that's what we're gonna plan on, but we just have to see if price is gonna print that way. So let's see. Oh yeah, we are getting a little lag, I think. Let me now if we break the low with no top wick, oh, this is gonna be a little, it's a little risky. What's this? Perfect sell when break, 1 hour bull candle body. Stop loss should be above that wick, right? Yes, correct. Yeah, what I'm thinking here is this is a great example of how we can take a dynamic entry, because 30 minutes gonna break before the hourly breaks. But if you remember, we did this on Friday. We did this Friday on the stream. We took a dynamic entry, a dynamic risk entry, based on I think it was 30-minute candle breaking and then hourly candle breaking. So I think we can do the same thing here. Because if both of the lows break, we definitely have a high probability to continue bearish. But I'd really like to take the entry based on 30-minute, because 30-minute is giving us enough range. Hourly is like 17 pips, I think, based on the break of the hourly low. Which obviously hourly is a stronger time frame to base off of, but at the same time, if we can take the entry as the 30-minute is breaking and the hourly follows suit, that's, you know, that's based on our expectations of the story we're telling across the candles. But this SOB doesn't look like it's gonna give us that. Sheesh. Very dirty candles. They're not playing nice. These candles are not playing nice for us. But we still have that hourly situation, so maybe we can still play out. But this is coming into London close here, so this is probably going to be another no trade day. Oh, come on, come on. Gallop, gallop. I think this is going to be kind of risky at this point, though. It's 13 minutes left in the candles. Should we take it for the sake of the stream? Or for the sake of the simulation?
Yeah, it looks pretty good to continue down right now. It takes out those lows.
I think so. Do you use the same risk for all your setups? Correct, Sam. Christine says yes. Harith says yes. I say yes.
Let's go for it.
Let's try and get a nice break here.
Yeah.
I think if it breaks the lows, the probability of it giving us 10 pips is high, but it didn't do that, so it's a good thing. Yeah, Raj says I'm already in.
It's already in. Raj stop us is already hit. Yeah. So dang, that's a no trade day. That's London close, man. That's really piss poor. I can't believe this. Like, what the hell? Did we pick the worst day on the simulation or what? Or the worst week? Yeah. Oh my days.
I mean, this is good though, because I mean we're coming into Thursday on the simulation here, and we haven't taken. I mean, we've only taken one trade, and we haven't really missed. It's not like we've missed any opportunities. There's just not been anything. So this is a great example of what the markets can be like. All right, let's look at this here. Dang, man, this just looks like shit. Holy.
Yeah, it's moving without any confirmations. Just from the top to the bottom. Just one straight candle. And how would you catch that? No way. You give up.
Yeah, this looks pretty bad. This looks pretty bad here. 25 pips to the bottom here, but this past traffic is just making me a little weary. Just nothing for buys, absolutely nothing for buys. Jeez. Christine, I think I might have went too far past, sorry. Price respected that top resistance without a been an entry for sell. I honestly don't even know where we were at this point. Here, I think. Oh, you may be looking at this? I don't know. I don't know where you're looking, sorry. Break of the lows here. If we can close below, I think we might be able to go. We might be able to go down. But we'll just have to see here. We'll have to see. This traffic doesn't really look good in here. It doesn't really look good to me. Still have good buy opportunities to the upside though. Maybe we'll hope that the simulation Forex gods will give us a push to the top side. Oh, I forgot to look at higher time frames here. Yes, the daily did kind of what we were talking about, rejected this area. It's already broken the lows, but it's also rejected hard as hell. This is the problem actually. If we look at this is the problem. We've been ranging on daily time frames, and that's why we're seeing bullshit price action on the other time frames. 4 hours broken the low and rejected completely. This hourly looks good for the break of the lows and to come down. So maybe that's what we can do is I think we should still wait for a close outside of this range. And it just pushes. Oh, too much, too much. I've also taken entries on things like this before, as it's broken high and low. But I think it's going to be better to just wait for this to close to see how it closes.
That would have been a pretty nice entry.
Yeah, completely rejected though and closed inside of this range, so it's a good thing we didn't enter. Because that drawdown would not be fun. Let me see though, because I mean I might have moved. Nah, not enough. Now if it goes to break the lows here,
February this year, people had some pretty good big issues trading GJ.
yeah.
RIP to all the accounts lost.
Yeah. Yeah, Sam says crazy price action. Yes. Yes, I mean this is the real markets though. You know, we're simulating the real markets, so you know, it's this is what we see. This is also another reason why I like to trade two pairs, you know, gold and GJ, because while we're seeing this on this simulation session all week on GJ, who knows, gold could have been printing beautiful setups, you know, so. Oh. Wow. Man, we're gonna have to risk the whole account if we get a Friday set up, man. Fuck.
This week is just total rubbish. Nothing to expect this week.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna see something here. Oh, okay. There's a 15-minute just closed a no bottom wick, of course. Jesus. Price action is just being disrespectful.
Probably wait for an upper week to form and try it.
Oh yeah, on 15-minute, yeah. Well, I already broke the lows. Dang, Red called it. Red called it here. He said, kind of looks like a breakout is loading. And it broke out. Let's wait. Maybe we can catch an MP special. Maybe we'll create a low or some sort of break and retest situation. Still got some time. Raj says, I have done February, March, April gold simulations, was moving perfect. Yeah, I've done like the whole fucking year on GJ, and there was a lot of this. I had a lot of simulations where I only took 1 to 2 trades throughout the whole week. A lot of things like that. What are we on? We're on 15-minute here. It's hourly. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Come on now, go back. Yeah, so maybe we can get a little... Oh, I was going to say a little break and retest situation, but push back into that range. Pretty nice.
See? Total garbage.
Yeah.
You stopped out there for price to just continue.
Yeah.
Oh. People were slaughtered in February.
Oh my god, there's some news.
February slaughtered a lot of accounts.
It's not even any news. What the hell?
Wait a minute.
Christine says I just lost it.
Back then, that's when Russia invaded Ukraine, right?
Yeah, it might be, yeah.
Yeah, those are the days.
You might be right.
So GG, that's how GG moved?
Yeah, you might be right. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, honestly, I don't really remember this happening.
Yeah, but it was in February this year when when Russia invaded Ukraine and gold was tanking up like nothing. It
Yep.
was rallying and these things, like everything was just crazy.
Yeah, I do believe you are right. I do believe you are right.
On gold, people would close eyes and buy.
Yep. Yep, I think you are right. I think you are right. Okay, now let's look at this. Nothing. Jeez. Come on, respect that low and freaking slingshot up here. Close up here. It's a nice clean range. Looks good for hourly sells, but doesn't look good for the range to fill. Four hour broke the high.
That would be a tough pill to swallow. It's just crazy how DJ really moved back then.
Yeah, it's pretty terrible price action here. So bad that Raj left us. He was like, man, screw this. I'm out of here.
Screw this man. Yeah. After taking that sell, things
Yeah.
didn't go well for him. So he was like, screw this.
He blew his account. He blew his account.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure a lot of people lost accounts way back in February.
I think you're probably right. Based on this, I think you're right.
Yeah, based on that, oh my days. Because you know what it will do when your psychology is also a mess? That the moment you take a sell and it doesn't work out, you see buy something in, you just enter buys.
Yep.
10, 5 pips, you don't secure, and then comes back to your entry, takes you out, and then go back for sales. By the time you realize it, it's too late, your count is low.
Yep. Been there, done that a lot of times. Frederick getting ready for World Cup. Yeah, it's coming up. It's coming up. I think it starts this week or something, right?
Yeah. Today, the first match plays today, and I guess right now they are doing this opening ceremony.
Right
Although
on.
it has already started, the opening ceremony for this World Cup. Then, in about 2 hours from now, the first game starts: Qatar versus Ecuador.
The home team.
Yeah, opens up. It's the Qatar Riser.
Yeah, I heard that they like Qatar officials are being a little wild over there.
You know, there's a lot of controversies over there on the internet or over the world due to human rights, I don't know, violations and stuff. You know, a lot of people having a lot of propaganda right now going on because of Qatar hosting this World Cup.
Yeah. Yeah, Frederick says no alcohol allowed. That's crazy.
Yeah, sure. That one has been banned.
That's
in the
crazy.
stadiums, but outside the stadiums, there are points where you can go and purchase alcohol if you really want to take. But in the stadiums, it's not allowed now.
Yeah, I saw like some interviews of I saw like a Dutch person like doing like a story, you know, outside of the stadium or whatever, and the Qatar officials like rolled up on him and freaking took his camera.
Yeah, because there is a rule whereby you don't have to take people's pictures without their consent, something like that.
Oh yeah.
You can't just swap up with the camera and start taking photographs of people around and without really asking for their permission. So
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, this looks like another no trade day here. Jesus, man.
Yeah.
It's London close. This session's over, you know.
Character building days on GJ.
Yeah.
That's when you start when you're alone, you start fidgeting to find a trade.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I mean, I definitely like noticed that myself. Like when, you know, in real life situations, like when London closes coming in and I haven't taken a trade yet, you know, I start looking for every opportunity possible.
So you start trying to put things that are not there. You start calculating everything.
Yeah, I'm like, wait a second here. Look at here. You know, wait, if this happens, you know, no.
Yeah, you become a market maker at that point.
Yeah.
End up losing everything you have.
Yep. All right, so let's see. This is the last day in the session. Let's see. Looks like we have a nice range down here. Yeah, 36 pips or something. So that looks pretty solid. And then potentially buys above. So we saw one little push above. So that's not too bad.
Our price has rejected that area very strongly previously.
Yep, I was gonna say, let's see what this looks like on the higher time frames. Let me make sure this is cloned over properly. Yeah, it's the support that we were talking about. I mean, this resistance. Ooh, 4 hour. Yeah, so I think sells are probably going to be in our best interest, but would want to see it below here.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, see, I know a lot of people that would take sells like as all the lows are being broken, but think that's very risky. Even though everything is like really pointing towards it, just doesn't. I think it'd be better to wait for a close. Because even if it clears out this whole range, we can wait for a support to form and then a resistance to go retest the lows. And that's what I would do in real life, so. Yeah, Christine, clean range to the left for an impulse sell, for sure. For sure, but risky. Would have given 10 pips though, so would have been valid. And it's continuing. Yeah, what I prefer in these situations, honestly, Christine, is like a break and retest, you know, which is honestly just like an MP special, you know. So price to break out, we form a level of support somewhere, we come up, we form a level of resistance, and we go back down to continue. Because, like, in my opinion, it's always best to tell a story based on where you think price is going and then just hop along for the ride. You know, but based on this, you know, how it's printing, it's not like, there's not very like strong confirmations where we know where price is going. Yeah, it's really just not giving us anything. Yeah, it's really just ranging here on daily. That's the problem. I was looking at sells at the break of the low. That would be a nice slingshot move, but not enough range and can't go against the rules. Because I would not go against the rules in real life. But yeah, Christine, the impulse sell idea would have worked out here. You know, sells as the lows are broken. You know, would have given 20 pips or so. So that's not too bad. Like you said, nice clean range here to correct the move. But I really like to wait for confirmations. And the confirmation would be for the candle to close outside of the range. Yeah, this isn't gonna be enough either. Minute close right at support. See if we can get a close outside of this range, huh?
Still nothing yet.
Nah. No, it's really not doing anything. I was looking at it like if it breaks the highs to push up, but I don't like that. It's like a resistance here. Close this below here, we're gonna have to wait until this range. What? What the fuck? So the last hour of opportunity here.
Yeah.
Man, I don't think there's been a simulation session that I've done where I only took one trade in the week though. That's pretty crazy. But I really don't think I've seen any setups at all.
Well, here it is today.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy here. What's this? Nope, nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I can't believe that. I cannot believe that.
That's they gone.
Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, just nothing. That's the session. That's the damn simulation session. We lost 0.64%. Took one trade. One trade. closed 50% a bunch of times. Let's see, where was that? Right here. Yeah, and this like, I'm surprised this didn't work out. Well, I mean, it did work out like we talked about. If we didn't close out, you know, if we would have just trusted the stop loss, we would have caught profits here. Yep. Stop loss is like 24 pips or something. We secured partials. Secured partials here. Yeah, so lesson learned there. That's kind of proving my theory further and further. Don't close partials, and just trust your stop loss. If you have a valid stop loss in place, which I always put mine, you know, above or below the previous 30-minute candle high. So, you know, like I said, I've noticed like the last probably 5 losses that I've taken wouldn't have been losses if I would have just trusted the candles, trusted my setup. But yeah, so we're gonna shut it down for today. We'll be back for we got a question here. VDOT, do you trade 5 time frame? 5 minute? No. No 5 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, sometimes. Patrick, don't close partials until first take profit. Yeah, I like that better. And I mean, at the end of the day, like, the risk is always, you know, 1% per trade. Doesn't matter how big the stop loss is. So, you know, if I'm comfortable with losing that 1%, then it is what it is. You know, I should just be comfortable with losing that 1% or hitting profits, closing profits. So, but yeah, I appreciate you guys showing up on this Sunday morning. It was fun anyways. I would like to do this probably at least, like, we'll say every other Sunday, because I won't be able to make it next Sunday, and the following Sunday I should be able to. So the next one would be like December 3rd or 4th, I think it is. I'm not sure what the date is off the top of my head. But yeah, I appreciate you guys showing up as always. Yeah, December 4th is the next one. But yeah, we'll be live for tomorrow morning, New York session. Hopefully we'll have a good week of trading. We do have Thanksgiving this week here in the States, so that might cause a little, you know, disruption as far as the volume in the markets towards the end of the week, but we'll see what happens. But
yeah, sure, that's right. When is the D-Day?
Thanksgiving is Thursday.
Thursday. So probably there won't be volume that day.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, you know, if we think about it, like, GJ will probably be fine. I think GJ might be fine because, you know, it doesn't really rely on US markets too much, you know. Obviously it does get a little volatile with the US markets, but I've also seen volume in GJ during US bank holidays, you know. So,
and gold probably.
Yeah, gold.
Sometimes gold just moves.
Yeah, gold's probably going to be pretty stagnant. It's probably not going to be something we'll be looking for trades on, but I think GJ might be good this week. We'll just see, though. I mean, I plan on streaming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I won't be able to Friday. My flight's at like 7 a.m. on Friday, 6 a.m.
Oh.
But, yeah, I got a long trip down there. But yeah, you guys have a good Sunday.
We'll be back the other week, the December week, right?
Yeah, I'll be back December 1st, and I'll be back streaming on December 2nd, probably. December 2nd is a Friday, I think, so yeah.
No worries.
But cool.
Let's wait for tomorrow, what tomorrow brings, and then we're ready for it. It's Monday, yeah.
Yep, absolutely.
Vibes, you know, as usual.
Absolutely. Well, cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. If you haven't already, don't forget to like the stream, and if you're new to the stream, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one, Harith.
Cool. Take care, brother. Take care. Have a blessed morning. For me, it's already evening here, so it's already 6 p.m.
Got you. Yeah, have a good one, man. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Take care, man. Cheers.
Okay, let's see. Adios, YouTube. If I can